Okay guys, this is just a quick one. I was just thinking there when I was looking at the for loop and I decided let's just show you the break statement in the for loop. Now we'll look at the break statement again when we look at the switch. And the switch is just a quick way of doing an if else, if else. So I'll come to that probably next anyway. So I've went and ran this, well, launched this anyway because sometimes it can take a while to build. I don't be wasting your time sitting here listening to me rambling on. So there we go. This is the same for loop we had the last time. And as we increment through here, when we hit I is equal to 16, we want it to break out of the loop and not to go and do the next, not to output at 16. It's just going to stop. So it should output from 0 to 15, and it does because I have it here, right? So there's your loop, goes through it. When I is 16, it hits the break, and the break breaks out of the condition altogether and just stops the code. Alright, try to do this yourselves, have a look at it and try some different figures and mess around with it and see how you get on. Alright guys, see you next one when we look at the switch. Alright, see you then, bye bye.